Steve here from CSP Medical, and today we're going to be showing you the RPD 55 centimeter body caliper. So this is the caliper. It is made out of aluminum, and it basically sits on the tabletop as a sturdy stand. And as you can see, it has increments that are etched. So 1 centimeter increments up to 60 centimeters, and it has this adjustable bar that slides up and down, and it has a hard plastic frame and an adjustable pin on the end, so you can position it above the patient, and when it comes to rest, it'll give you the exact length of the patient. So that is a quick look at the RPD body caliper, and have a great day.